Fellow engineers, let's talk about the hydraulic motor torque calculator and how it solves a fundamental challenge in hydraulic system design. When you're sizing a hydraulic motor for your application, you need to know exactly how much torque it'll produce at a given pressure and displacement. This calculator eliminates the manual calculations and unit conversions that often lead to costly sizing errors. The calculator has three essential input fields. First is system pressure, measured in PSI or bar. Most industrial hydraulic systems operate between 1,000 and 3,000 PSI, with mobile equipment often running higher. Second is motor displacement, the volume of fluid consumed per revolution, typically measured in cubic inches or cubic centimeters. Common displacements range from 0.5 to 20 cubic inches for standard applications. Third is mechanical efficiency, which accounts for internal friction losses. Most hydraulic motors run between 85 and 95% efficiency when new. Let me walk you through a real example. Say you're designing a winch system with a hydraulic motor. Your system pressure is 2,500 psi. You've selected a motor with 3.2 cubic inch displacement, and the manufacturer specifies 92% mechanical efficiency. Enter these values, and the calculator instantly shows you'll get 1,170 pound-inches of torque, or 97.5 pound-feet. It also converts to 132 Newton-meters for metric applications. These output values represent the actual torque available at your motor shaft for driving loads. Use the pound-feet value for sizing couplings and calculating drumline pull. The Newton-meter conversion helps when working with international suppliers. Here's the critical insight. Never forget to derate for efficiency. Assuming 100% efficiency can lead to undersized motors that stall under load. Find the link in the description below.